Here we are at Contra Costa Powersports, and today we have our 2014 Honda XR650L. This dual sport just arrived with only 1,582 miles. Showroom condition. It's got brand new tires, an FMF exhaust. Come on by and make your dual sport XR650 dreams come true for just $49.90. This bike is not going to be here long. It's in gorgeous condition. I doubt it's been off-road at all. We have finance and we have extended warranties. Check us out on the web, www.contracostaps.com, where at any given time we have 30 to 40 beautiful clean used bikes in stock. Thank you from Contra Costa Powersports.